In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use left hand in CS2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can easily switch the view model side. So something that a lot of players like to do is to constantly switch the view model from the left hand to the right hand, or to set it permanently to one hand only. In order to change this, you have to go over to the keybinds. So when you go over to the options, choose the keyboard/mouse category, and in here you will find switch view model left/right hand. You can click on this and then change the keybind. So you can bind it to mouse 5, for example. You can bind it to something on your keyboard, whatever you want. Once this is done, you can go back inside of the game, and if you press that specific button that you set it to, you will notice that the view model changes side. Now, unlike CSGO, for some reason, whenever you switch the view model side, you actually cannot shoot. So I'm spamming the left click while I switch, and you notice that it only fires when it is done switching. It is a little bit unfortunate, but it is still a quick way to switch the view model side. And you will be able to do this inside of the game. Outside of the game, you can switch as many times as you want, as long as you have the bind set up. Now, you can also use console commands. So if you would like to set up a manual bind or something in a config file, you can use CL underscore or underline prefer, then underscore underline left-handed, and then you can type true or false. If it is set to true, it is going to use the left hand as the console name suggests, or the command name suggests, and then if it's set to false, it is going to prefer the opposite one, so the right hand. So change this console command according to your preferences. Either works. So either do the console commands or do the settings on the keybinds. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us from the channel make higher quality videos, so I highly count on your subscription. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.